Hey, what's up, everyone? I got Ralph here with me, the director of e-commerce at Rework. Yeah, so Ralph, tell me a little bit more about you and also what do you guys do?
So I manage our digital marketing, all of our PPC, our email marketing, our merchandising, also project lead for a website we built last year. And then I also am the brand manager for our manufacturing arm. So we are a office furniture company, contract furniture. So we do sell furniture online, but we also offer a lot of different services to the corporate clients. So office decommissioning, installation, design, we even do reupholstery. So we kind of cover the entire life cycle of office furniture. So core to our mission is sustainability. So a big part of what we do, we go in, we decommission, liquidate offices that are moving, and we take that furniture that otherwise would have ended up in a landfill and we refurbish it and we sell it back to the public. So last year we actually diverted 2.6 million pounds of furniture from landfills. So we're pretty proud of that.
Awesome. And then recently, one of our account managers here also purchased a Herman Miller from you guys as well.
That's right. That's right.
Kiyoshi. Awesome. So yeah, I think we met somewhere in like last year, October. So just going to hear from your own words, how did you hear about our services?
So it was actually a string of emails from you, Mark, that I think by about the fifth one, I finally was like, all right, I'll hear this guy out. And the offer that you mentioned in the email really caught my attention. You made a guarantee that I've never seen any other marketing agency make. And
Gotcha. And
I
then
was like,
what
all
do
right,
you think you
I'll
were
hear this guy
struggling
out.
with
And so I
previously,
think
and
we
how's
got
it
the call
different
pretty
now with
quickly
email
after
marketing?
that. We had just recently lost our director of marketing, and it kind of fell on my shoulders to fill in the gaps and keep our marketing train running, so to speak.
Hmm.
So I knew I needed help from like agency help to outsource and fill in those gaps. Agencies have a lot more resources, so that was, I guess, kind of where it led me to your outreach emails. I was doing some research into other email marketing agencies. So yours kind of came at the perfect time.
Awesome. And then since working together, what or how much has your e-commerce side has grown since working together, and how is it like working with us?
So I was kind of blown away to see how quickly we saw results. Within 2 months of the initial onboarding, our online store monthly revenue was the highest it had ever been.
Hmm.
And I will say just everything as far as communication, professionalism, and ease of onboarding and a customized business plan for what we were trying to do. It all went so smoothly. I'm very happy with the results. And this is only, I think, 3 or 4 months
Hmm.
into working with you guys, and have the utmost faith that this is only the beginning. One of the biggest drivers for business that you guys helped us out with was the email flows that you implemented. So all of the automation that we didn't have previously, it really helped our conversion rates. We didn't have any sort of flows for abandoned cart or anything like that. So it's been a huge boost for our sales.
And I'm sure it helps you guys a lot, especially since you guys are, a little bit in the higher ticket side. So having those extra follow-ups definitely did help a lot of these conversions.
Definitely, definitely. And the team communication as far as building out campaigns and monthly content calendar, it's the communication is quick and reliable, which I very much appreciate. It's like I don't have to worry about the job that you guys are doing. It's you guys pretty much take care of it all. So I really appreciate that. Prior to working with you guys, we were average revenue for website transactions was around 50K per month. And just in February, we hit 111K,
Let's
which was
go.
pretty extraordinary. Yeah. And like I said previously, I think this is only the beginning. I know those flows are helping tremendously. And
Mhm.
yeah, I look forward to what else we can do here.
Yeah. And then, Ralph, can you tell me a little bit more about, how your experience with us is perhaps, a little bit different from, other agencies that you might have worked with in the past?
So you guys are, I would say, much more hands-on. I love that you use Slack for communication. It's been extremely helpful. Our account manager, Kyoshi, has been fantastic. Like anytime we have approvals or anytime I need to make edits to designs, I just send him a message and he responds right away. So it's really just seamless.
Awesome. Yeah, Yoshi is awesome. And then, yeah, kind of just like the last question here to wrap up for anyone that's on the fence of, working with us, what do you have to say to them?
Just do it and just go for it. You won't be
Yeah,
disappointed, I assure you.
awesome. Well, Ralph, I appreciate your time today. And, as always, it's a pleasure talking to you.
Thanks, Mark.